the President to allow us, myself and the Attorney General, to address the National Security Council on the implications of the lawless actions of certain elements in the security forces. Those who are kidnapping people using numberless cars, drones, those who are disappearing people, those who are torturing people, those who are keeping people in detention contrary to the law. But we need more information. So this is where we shall draw the line, because there are those who are simply playing politics. We don't have control about those who want to play politics. There was a time we had a lady who had a huge wound on her hand. We wanted her to go for treatment. We didn't know that that wound was her source of livelihood. So she would sit on the streets begging. We tried our best. We even took her for amputation. She was amputated. They put a bandage. After a short while, she was back on the streets, now with showing a wound on the leg. We offered to take her back to hospital. She wasn't interested. So there are those whose politics is served by the suffering of others. So we are calling their bluff. We are going to write to all interested parties, particularly political parties, to share with us all the information they have, so that when we go to meet the National Security Council, we have a starting point, not just general allegations. We do not want drama. We had this circus of people who were taken to Nairobi, accident victims being paraded as torture victims. So you discredit yourself when you behave like that. As a lawyer, I can tell you that it is unusual in such cases for bail to take priority. When the hearing has started, it should continue day to day. So I also join all those who are appealing to the judiciary to hear this case expeditiously. The hearing has started, the evidence is there. It is the right of the suspects, who are honorable members of parliament, to defend themselves in court. Now, as far as I'm concerned, my work is behind the counter. That is track 1 in the courts. Track 2 is my engagement with some key people, including the suspects who I have visited. But because I'm not part of the drama, I go to Kigo, I meet the suspects, the honorable MPs. Nobody even knows, because I'm not interested in the drama. I have met the parents of Honorable Ssewanyana. I've even met his wife and children. We have even taken photos, but I don't feel that it's necessary to publish the photos. But we are working quietly to see whether this matter can be dealt with in another way, because there is no way the government would want to push through this case unless they are sure that they can prove it. Now, the hearing has started. And when the hearing has started, it should continue day to day. And when the hearing is ongoing, the state should have the suspects in order to be able to bring them whenever they are required in court. My call is that the trial should be speeded up day to day. Thank you very much.